Hello everyone, I am Tanujain from Computer Science and Engineering Department. Today I discuss about introduction to Android. What is Android? Android is an open source and Linux based operating system developed by the Open Handset Alliance led by Google and other companies. Google has further developed Android TV for televisions, Android Auto for cars, and Wear's operating system wristwatches. What is operating system? An operating system is a software program that enables the hardware to communicate and operate with the software. Operating system is a interface between user and hardware. Operating system provides software platform on top of which other programs called application programs can run. What is Linux? Linux is a family of free and open source software operating system built around the Linux kernel. The development of Linux is one of the most prominent examples of free and open source software collaboration. What is open source? The open the source code of a computer program is made available free of charges to the general public. User can view the code that comprises the software and make any kind of changes to it they want. Anyone can take the source code and distribute their own program from it. History of Android. Initially, Andy Robin founded Android Incorporation in Palo Alto, California, United States in October 2003. In 70th August 2005, Google acquired Android Incorporation. Since then, it is the subsidiary of Google Incorporation. Android Incorporation to Google Android $50 million 2005 cheapest deal. The idea of making a open source smartphone operating system that would reveal Symbian, Apple iOS, and Microsoft Windows Mobile was a key reason Google got attracted to. Back in 2005, the company quickly and cheaply what we think was its best acquisition to date. It purchased the startup company Android for $50 million. OHA Open Handset Alliance गूगल का मेन आइडिया था स्मार्टफोन के अंदर इस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म को लेके आना द ओपन हैंडसेट अलायंस इज़ अ consortium of 84 firms to provide to develop open handset for mobile devices. The OHA was established on 5th November 2007, led by Google with 34 members, including mobile handset markers, applications developers, some mobile carry, carries, and chip markers. 2008 at HTC Dream throughout the world. 2009 I Series Galaxy versions and flavors of Android. The first commercial version, Android 1.0, was released on September 23, 2008. Android code names are confectionery, sweets, and chocolates, named and have been in alphabetical order since 2009. Android 1.5 Cupcake. Cupcake 1.5 April 27, 2009. It included all the basic Google programs, search, mail, contacts, calendars, etc., along with synchronization. Support for widgets such a search box into the app on the home screen, virtual keyboards, video and YouTube Picasa uploading. Donut 1.6 September 15, 2009. Search example to include bookmarks and history, more camera integrated and features. Eclair 2.0 to 2.1, 27 October 2009. Search expanded to include SMS and MMS messages and HTML5 support in the borrowers browsers. More cameras features including flash, zoom, and white balance. Forio 2.2 to 2.2.3, May 20, 2010. Support for Bluetooth and handset hands-free. Push notifications, Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, and greater screen resolution. Gingerbread 2.3 to 2.3.7, 6 December 2010. Enhanced copy paste, front facing camera, audio and video supports, near field communication NFC. Honeycomb 3.0 to 3.2.6 for 22 February 2011. Introduced on the Motorola Zoom. Honeycomb was a tablet only version that took available advantage of larger screen. Ice cream sandwich 4.0 to 4.0.4. 18 October 2011. Introduced on Samsung Galaxy Nexus. Ice cream sandwich ICS combined gingerbread, mobile and honeycomb tablet version into one. It also introduced NFC data transfer. Jelly Bean 4.1 to 4.3.1, 9 July 2012. It included an improved voice search, which is the counterpart to Apple's Siri. Sweeping gestures and predictive text were added to the keyboard. KitKat 4.4 to 4.4.4, October 31, 2013. Support for older phones with less than 1 GB of RAM memory. OK Google was added to activate a voice search. Lollipop 5.0 to 5.1.1, November 12, 2014. A redesigned user interface known as Material Enterprises features included supporting personal and business apps, etc. Oreo 8.0 to 8.1, 21 August 2017. It improved battery life and performance while limiting what apps can do in the background. Users have more control over notifications. Pi 9.0, 6 August 2018. It improves battery life by offering adaptive features such as learning how you use apps and change brightness. Pi also predict what you might do next. Slice display relevant parts of apps and gestures can be used in addition to buttons. Recently added versions Android 10 September 3, 2018, Android 11 September 8, 2020. Advantages of Android is totally open because it is a Linux based open source. Multicasting multitasking, and for third one is it will be more secure than compared to others operating system. Fourth one is easy to access the Android app in the market. Supports all Google services. Disadvantages of Android. Android is rarely used in first world countries. People with plenty of money will most likely use iOS. Most apps on Android have not been updated in the last 5 years. Most app and Android markets are quality and yet many inequality. Dalvik Virtual Machine. The Dalvik Virtual Machine is an Android virtual machine optimized for mobile devices. It optimizes the virtual machine for memory, battery life of performances. Dalvik is a name of a town in Iceland. The Dalvik virtual machine was written by Dan Worsten. Thank you very much for your support.